Good afternoon, children. How are you? Let's start our lesson. Unit 1. Science and Scientific Phenomena. Today is our theme, writing an article. Learning objectives of our lesson. Use style and register to achieve appropriate degree of formality in a growing variety of written genres on a range of general and curricular topics. Write coherently at text level using a variety of connectors on a range of familiar general and curricular topics. Use a wide variety of conjunctions on a wide range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. Writing an article about a famous person. An article about a famous person is a formal piece of writing that presents the life and achievements of the person. It is meant to be interesting and informative, so it contains lots of facts. You can find articles about people in magazines, newspapers, websites, etc. As a formal piece of writing, we use passive forms, connectors, and full forms. Also, we use past tenses to talk about a person's life. But we can use present tenses for how your achievements are seen today. An article about a famous person usually includes an introduction, which introduces the person and tells readers why they are famous. A main body of 2 or 3 paragraphs, early life and later life, with details and dates, achievements, and deaths in chronological order. A conclusion with final comments. Exercise 1. Read the rubric and look at the key words in bold. And answer the questions. You have had a class discussion about famous scientists. Your teacher has asked you to write an article about one. Include when and where he or she was born, your achievements, when he or she died. Write your article 120, 180 words. Please answer the questions. What are you going to write? Okay, who is going to read it? Thank you. What should your piece of writing be about? How many words should you write? Yes, what should you include in your writing? Thank you very much. Now please, exercise number 2. Read the article about Albert Einstein and match the paragraphs AD to the descriptions below. 1. Early life. 2. Later life. 3. Introduction. 4. Final comments. Okay, please. The first, read the article. Have you finished? Let's continue. for beginning, ending an article. An interesting beginning and ending make an article more interesting for reader. There are several ways to do this. They include addressing the reader directly. Have you ever wanted to meet your ancestors? Making a statement. Without a doubt, Albert Einstein was an incredible scientist who changed the way we see the world around us. Using a short quotation. As Sam Keen once said, genes are like the story and DNA is the language that the story is written in. Now, exercise 3. Which techniques has the writer used to begin and the article? Rewrite the beginning and ending using another technique. I'll give you some minutes. Good job. Thank you. Continue our lesson. Exercise 4. Read the examples and find connectors in the article. Connectors. Mirjan loves astronomy and he has a telescope to observe the stars. Addition. Danielle would like a new laptop, but she doesn't have enough money. Contrast. Tom wants to go to the science fair because he is interested in physics. Cause, reason. Despite getting high marks in English, Artyom wants to study math. Contrast. While Fran was walking to work, she was listening to music on her phone. Time. Please find connectors in the article. Did you find? Very good. Exercise 5. Complete the sentence with a suitable connector. Yes. Excellent job. Okay, continue our lesson. Okay, the last exercise. Put and, so, but, or because into the sentences. My friend plays tennis, football. Yes, you are right. Okay, continue. Your homework will be exercise 9, page 15. You have had a class discussion about famous scientists. Your teacher has asked you to write an article, 120 and 180 words, about one of them. Include when and where he/she was born, his/her achievements, and when he/she died. Use the plan to write your article. Here is plan. Paragraph 1. Introduce the famous scientists and say why they are famous. Paragraph 2 and 3. Early years, achievements, and later years. Paragraph 4. Final comments. Good luck. Thank you for your attention. Our lesson is over. Goodbye.